Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. Excited about this project. I'm shooting it from one of my favorite cities in the whole world, definitely in all of Canada, on Vancouver Island in Victoria, BC. So the weather's not great for us, but it's gonna be a fun property. Anytime you get out to these coastal areas, it's great because you get lots of big trees that you can utilize. The arbutus trees are beautiful. There's lots of things. There's obviously some challenges that we're going to face with some rocky areas and stuff, and I'm going to show you guys a bunch of ways that we're not using a bunch of path and area lights. We're going to use a lot of our standard up and accent lights, as well as a few in-ground lights and some down lighting options. So I'll show you how we're going to use those to maximize the effect that we're going to get with those lights. So instead of having a whole whack of path lights, we're going to accent a bunch of different features around our walking areas and our areas where we want to lit, and use a lot of the reflective light. We're not overdoing it on this project, which I like. I like starting very subtle and adding lights on down the road. So I'm excited to walk you guys through this project on Vancouver Island. If you have any questions, be sure to send those to me directly below this email. Hey guys, I'll go into a little bit more detail about these DBR connectors in a bit, but basically I always get asked if I need to tee into a line. So for example, I've got a line coming in, I've got a line going out, and then I've got another line that has to go out here. How can I go about doing that? So that's where we're going to use these DBR connectors. The reason we use these is because they're bigger, so we can fit more wires in them. So we can fit our wire going out, we can fit our wire that just came in, and then we can send another wire out that way. And my one tip that I'll want to point out is that I always try and do this somewhere where there's like a fixture or something. So that way, if there ever is a break or connection that I gotta go check, I know where it is. It's located at a fixture. It's somewhere where there's already a hole, as opposed to just some random spot in the yard. So just a quick tip: when you're teeing into the line, try and do it somewhere where you know you already have a splice and you can easily access it later.